Hey, do you like Let's Play gaming? I fell from the sky, and I'm sorry, but it's cold outside and rainy, and please? How about video games that are edited to look like a movie or play like a TV series? Well, how about video games that are edited to look like a movie and are enhanced by roleplay elements and art by a friend of mine named Santancer? What about travel and adventure? My name is Vieryon, and I'm the host of the Gaming Cinaflix. My studio has 18 wheels and a dash camera. By profession, I'm an over-the-road truck driver, and I travel all across the United States. I see a lot of things, and I visit a lot of amazing places. I would love to take you along for the ride. Our channel is designed to marry the two things that I do love: adventure and gaming. It's a passion project filled with things that I mentioned before and much more, like the MMO Sagas, which are a blind first impression series of videos. My goal over there is to play as many of the MMO games that I can get my hands on. And there are a lot. If anything I said so far sounds interesting to you, I would be honored if you came over to my channel, subscribed, and hit the notification bell. Come with me on my journey as an honorary adventurer.